Tired of getting the same old trading results? Or are you looking for a quick and easy way to profit? Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a proven and efficient 15-minute scalping strategy. You don't need to be an expert analyst, just apply this strategy across different markets right away. In this example, I'll be using this scalping strategy for forex trading, but you can also apply it to other assets like gold or XAUUSD, crypto, stocks, and many others. Not only for 15-minute scalping, you can also use this trading strategy for 1-minute and 5-minute scalping. We'll make this video super clear, so it will definitely be easy for all traders to understand, even if you're a beginner. So make sure to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. To use this scalping strategy, you can start by going to TradingView. Then, go to the Indicators tab and type RSI or Relative Strength Index in the search bar. Select the default RSI indicator from TradingView. Next, you need to adjust the RSI settings. In the Input tab, change the RSI length to 8. Then, go to the Style tab and follow the settings as I do in the video. Once you've done that, just click OK to confirm the changes. Before using it, you'll need to add 2 horizontal lines to the RSI indicator. For the first horizontal line, set the level to 75. For the second horizontal line, set the level to 25. You can adjust the color of the lines to match your personal preference. This RSI indicator will serve as a guide for placing entries in the market. If the RSI signal line enters the 26 to 39 level range, it means the RSI signal line has entered the buy zone. You can wait for the RSI signal line to cross back above level 40 before placing a buy entry. Make sure that during this process, the RSI signal line does not fall below level 25. If it does, the buy signal is invalid. On the other hand, if the RSI signal line enters the 61 to 74 level range, it means the RSI signal line has entered the sell zone. You can wait for the RSI signal line to cross back below level 60 before placing a sell entry. Ensure that the RSI signal line doesn't go above level 75 during this process. If it does, the sell signal is invalid. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will serve as a trend guide in the market. Go to the Indicators tab and search for SSL Hybrid Advanced. Select the SSL Hybrid Advanced indicator by trader Harikrishna. Next, set up the SSL Hybrid Advanced indicator. In the Input tab, enable the checkboxes for Show EMA 200 with ADX and Show MTF EMA. Also, enable the checkbox for Show ATR bands. Set the ATR multi-value to 3. Then, change the EMA period 2 to 60. After that, go to the Style tab and adjust the settings as I show in the video. Once you're done, click OK to save the changes. The SSL Hybrid Advanced indicator will be used to guide trends in the market. If the EMA 20 crosses or stays above the EMA 60, and both EMAs are above the EMA 200, this is a sign of a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus should be on finding the best points to place buy entries. However, if the EMA 20 crosses or stays below the EMA 60, and both EMAs are below the EMA 200, this indicates a bearish trend. In this case, your main focus should be on finding the best points to place sell entries. For further clarification, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a sell entry. If the EMA 20 crosses or stays below the EMA 60, and both EMAs are below the EMA 200, this signals a bearish trend. In this case, your main focus is only on placing sell entries. Wait until the RSI signal line enters the sell zone. Then, wait for the RSI signal line to cross or close below level 60. Ensure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the green ATR line. Use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your take-profit target. How to place a buy entry. If the EMA 20 crosses or stays above the EMA 60, and both EMAs are above the EMA 200, this signals a bullish trend. In this case, your main focus is only on placing buy entries. Wait until the RSI signal line enters the buy zone. Then, wait for the RSI signal line to cross or close above level 40. Ensure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the red ATR line. Use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your take-profit target. Always maintain proper money management and trading psychology, as no strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for this session, and I'll see you in the next video.